Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Leon 2.0 TSI Cupra 290 DSG, finished in magnetic gray with a sporty Half Leather-Alcantara interior. At the front, the Leon Cupra showcases a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and aggressive styling that hints at the power under the bonnet. At the side, it sits low and wide on 19-inch alloy wheels, with gloss black exterior styling and sculpted body lines. Electric folding mirrors and clean contours add to its sharp, dynamic presence. At the rear, you'll find LED taillights, a discrete roof spoiler, front and rear parking sensors, and a dual exhaust setup that gives it a performance look to match. Powered by a thrilling 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, the Cupra 290 produces exhilarating performance through the DSG automatic gearbox. It's quick, responsive, and engaging, perfect for drivers who want excitement without compromising on comfort. Cruise control and a stop-start system keep it practical for everyday use too. Stepping inside, the interior feels sporty and refined, with Alcantara-trimmed sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and customizable digital cockpit displays that keep your drive focused and intuitive. In terms of tech, this Cupra is packed with features: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth DAB radio, and more, making it as connected as it is capable. In the back, the rear seats offer ample space and comfort, proving that hot hatch performance doesn't have to sacrifice practicality. In the boot, there's plenty of room for your daily needs, with a wide opening for easy access to luggage or shopping. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration R F69EFA to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.